Pivot adjustable mechanism installation 4-in-1 system. The kit includes 2 bases, 2 attachment elements in the horizontal rail, 2 attachment elements in the stile, 4 screws, 2 lock nuts, 2 hole covers, 6 Euro screws. One type of a horizontal rail is used in the door, that is the top rail of 4-in-1 system. The link to the door size calculation table is below. Prepare holes as for 4-in-1 system. Insert the attachment elements in the top and bottom rails of the door. Connect the attachment elements with a screw. Draw together the stile and the horizontal frame with an assembling self-tapping screw. Fix the attachment element in the rail with 2 Allen keys. Connect the attachment elements with the other screw. Option 1. The door with the mechanism doesn't protrude from the doorway. Option 2. The profile is in the same plate as the doorway. Install the top and bottom bases. For installation in a cupboard, use the Euro screws from the kit. Unscrew the axe from the top base. Insert the door into the bottom axe and screw the top axe into the base through the attachment element of the door. Adjust the door in 3 plates, turning an eccentric workpiece inside the top and bottom attachment elements. Screw the lock nuts into the attachment elements. Install the decorative hole covers. To fix the door leaf, install a magnetic latch at the top or at the bottom. Check the operation of the door. The maximal door height is 3,200 mm. The maximal width is 900 mm. The weight is up to 40 kilograms.